காமராஜரே கர்ம வீரரே,
கருப்பு காந்தியே கல்வி தந்தையே,
அன்பு தென்றலே கருணை வள்ளலே,
அஞ்சா சிங்கமே மங்கா தங்கமே, எளிய குணத்தரே தூய்மை மனத்தரே, துணிவினிமயமே
பணிவின் சிகரமே,
படிக்காத மேதையே நேர்மை பாதையே, மக்கள் தலைவரே நல்லொழுக்க சீலரே,
ஆட்சியில் தூயவரே,
சரித்திர நாயகரே,
காமராஜரே கர்ம வீரரே,
கருப்பு காந்தியே கல்வி தந்தையே,
அன்பு தென்றலே கருணை வள்ளலே,
அஞ்சா சிங்கமே.
The principal, beloved teachers, and all my dear friends. Today I am very happy to stand before you and speak about one of the greatest leaders of India, K. Kamaraj. Every year, 15th July is celebrated as K. Kamaraj's birthday. In Tamil Nadu, this day is also celebrated as Educational Development Day because of his remarkable contribution to education. K. Kamaraj was born on 15th July 1903 in Virudhunagar, Tamil Nadu. His parents were Kumaraswamy Nadar and Sivagami Ammal. Due to family difficulties, he had to stop the studies at a young age. Even though he could not complete his education, he understood the value of education and worked hard to make sure every child had the opportunity to study. K. Kamaraj joined the Indian freedom movement at a young age. He actively participated in the struggle for India's independence and was imprisoned several times by the British. After India became independent, he continued serving the people with honesty and dedication. He served as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu from 1954 to 1963. During his leadership, Tamil Nadu achieved great progress in education and development. Kamaraj opened thousands of new schools, especially in villages, so that children did not have to travel long distance to study. He believed that education is the birthright of every children. One of his greatest achievements was expanding the midday meal scheme, which encouraged poor children to come to school regularly. He also promoted free education, free school uniform, and improved school facilities. Because of his efforts, the number of students in school increased greatly. Kamaraj, known for his simplicity, honesty, discipline, and selfless service. He always thought about the people, welfare of the people before himself. His education of Tamil Nadu and also as the kingmaker of India because of the important role of Indian politics. His life teaches us many valuable lessons. They are: be humble, be honest, work hard, respect education, serve society without expecting anything in return. Serve society without expecting anything in return. Let us remember Kamaraj not only on his birthday, but also by following his values in our daily lives. I would like to conclude with a line. Education is our real wealth of our nation. Education is our real wealth of our nation. Thank you.
புறப்படு தோழா, நம் காமராஜர் வழி நடப்போம். புறப்படு தோழா, பெருந்தலைவரின் பாதம் பணிவோம். அகிம்சைவாதியும் இவரே, அன்பின் உருவமும் இவரே, மண்ணின் மைந்தரும் இவரே, நம் பாரத தாயின் மகனும் இவரே. இவரே. புறப்படு தோழா, புறப்படு தோழா, நம் காமராஜர் வழி நடப்போம். புறப்படு தோழா, புறப்படு தோழா, பெருந்தலைவரின் பாதம் பணிவோம். அரியணை ஏறிய 9 ஆண்டும் நடந்தது மனித ஆட்சி அல்ல, ஆண்டவன் வந்து அரியணை ஏறி நடத்திட்ட ஆட்சியாகும். அரியணை ஏறிய 9 ஆண்டும் நடந்தது மனித ஆட்சி அல்ல, ஆண்டவன் வந்து
வீரரே, கருணை வள்ளலே,
அஞ்சா சிங்கமே மங்கா தங்கமே எளிய குணத்தரே
தூய்மை மனத்தரே,
துணிவினிமயமே
பணிவின் சிகரமே,
படிக்கா